Step 2. Turn on your signal. Slow down and align parallel to the parked cars.
Step 3. Align your shoulder with the middle of the space. Now, begin reversing slowly. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right. For small cars, align the mirror with the first line. Now, countersteer to align. Rotate the wheel to the left. Straighten the vehicle inside the space.